Welcome to Selenium automation testing channel, guys. So today I'm going to tell about the overloading concept. So generally, overloading means we will have same method. You can see, right? So I have taken the class as an employee class. In the class, I have taken method test class, another class test class, another class test class. So here the method name is same, but the arguments are different. You can see, right? In the first method I am passing string, in second method I am passing the integer, in the third method I am passing string and integer, and in the fourth method I am passing the arguments as integer and string. So in overloading concept, mainly method name will be same, but we are passing the different data type parameters. So that is the concept of overloading. So it is also known as compile-time polymorphism. So whenever I have created a class, employee class, when this is the object reference I have created, when I written like e dot, so so this is the object reference. When I type the e, I will get the methods like test, test, test method. But here arguments are different, like data types. It is a string data type and integer and string data type and string and integer data type. So these are the data types. Here I can pass the data. So string data type and integer data type I have passed. So at the compile time only I am deciding like which data I need to pass. Here I am passing the RAM data type. So this is known as overloading concept. In overloading, I am changing the number of parameters. Means first I have taken one parameter, next I have taken two parameters. If I want to take, I can take three parameters also, like public void int a comma. So here I have taken the uh, parameters as three types I have taken. So in this way also I can take, and I can change the data types also. So here I have taken the string data type. Here I have taken the integer data type. So like this you can take. So main concept is very simple. Same method name, uh, passing the different data types. The different data types also I can pass two data types. I can pass the three data types. That is the concept of the overloading. And in overloading we are doing at the time of compiling. So while compiling I am deciding like which method I need to pass, which data is I need to pass. That's why it is known as compile time polymorphism. So that is the concept of overloading. So now I'm running the program, executing the program. So I can, whenever I have passed the methods, those methods will be executed. For example, this method only I need to where here I have taken the integer data type and string data type I have taken. So now I will pass only the, so I will run the code. So here the test method 10 and Java. So these values has been printed. So in compile time only I am deciding. Now I am jumping to the real time examples. So another way also I can take, like where I have taken the multiplication method. Here I am passing the arguments integer, and here I am passing the three values. So in this way also we can write a program overloading concept. So now I'm executing the program. So here I have method name is same but passing the different arguments. Now I'm going to show the real time example. So I'm taking the, so overloading I'm trying to implement in real time examples. In generally in e-commerce, in e-commerce we will search the functionality, and we will add to the product, and we will order the product, and we will log in. So these concepts I'm trying to implement through overloading. First I will write down the login functionality. So in login, I'm passing the parameters as integer, and so different data types were there. So I'm passing like username and password. So generally while login, simply by clicking submit button we can write it, but here I'm writing by giving the username and password, and I am writing another method. So method name is same but arguments are different. Method name, signature, same. Passing arguments, different data types according to our functionality. So now I print the values. So here I'm printing like, so username and password and OTP also we will get like sometimes. So now I'm creating the one object. Through object, I'm calling the methods. So here I'm passing the string data type because so now I will give the RAM. So now I'm passing the in login. I have passed the username and password. Next time I'm passing the OTP also. So now I'm running this program. So very simple. So here writing the method name in a method signature. I'm passing the arguments different according to our functionality. Now I'm going for search functionality. So these are like when we go for real time e-commerce application, when we implement overloading, the in this way we can implement. So for that reference, I'm writing the code. So in Amazon, sometimes we will search the product name. I will give like iPhone. So simply in search bar, I will give like iPhone. So in that way, I'm trying like if you go like Amazon site. Here I can write iPhone 12. I can give iPhone blue color. I can search. So in this way, different way, I'm searching the products. If I search iPhone blue means blue iPhones will be different displayed. If I search iPhone 12 means it will be displayed. So here I'm writing the code according to. So first method I have written by product name. Here I will written the product name and I will write down the integer value also like. So here in iPhone I will write that iPhone 12. In next step I will write like iPhone 12 blue. So in this way I can search. So now I will write down the overloading function like that. So here I have printed the search functionality like this. Now I'm calling the methods like, so here I'm giving the product name like iPhone. So while searching we I'm doing the different ways like searching the product name and so iPhone I'm searching in this way. iPhone 12 I can search. So iPhone 12 products will be displayed. iPhone 12 blue. So in this way I will write down with color. So in this way I'm write downing according to functionality I'm implementing through overloading concept. So next I'm printing the color. So now I'm printing the so I'm executing the program. So you can see that product name iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro. So in this way, such functionality is been displayed. Next step, I'm going to like a when I add to the cart. Here I can write int number of products I can write down. So next step, I'm going for payment mode. So when I click on like so proceed to buy, here I need to give some username and password. So next it will navigate to the payment mode. So in payment mode, if we are like, if I am using like Mastercard, how I am going to play? If I am using like a Visa, how I am going to pay? So in this way, I am going to write down like, so here I have written the program. You can see like for payment. If I write down like credit card, if I'm using like in credit card and CVV, we will give like, and card type we will give like, if it is in Visa, how it will print, like if it is in Mastercard, it will print like this. So in this way, I have written like payment mode. And another method I have written like if I go for UPI payment, if I go for payment like if I give like payment mode, if I give like UAN number, password, and OTP, if I give like that, it will give like that. So in this way, I have written the code like overloading function. I am passing the different arguments. So that one I'm going to. So here you can see that method name is same, but same method, payment, but payment how you are typing like. So if you are going for UPN, if you are typing for UAN mode, so in this way I'm writing the code. And another one I'm going to write down is like, so so after displaying the product, it will give like Amazon order ID, it will display. So that one I'm going to display. So return type I'm giving like order number, I'm giving like. So here after doing the payment, after completion of the payment, I will display the order number, right? In Amazon you can get, right. So that one I'm trying to print. Example I will show like. So I'm printing the I'm going to the so in e-commerce whenever we are searching the product. So whenever we are doing like so here you can see, right? For example, so here I will type the iPhone 12. After typing the product, I will select and I will add to the cart. After adding the cart, I will click on like buy now. So in this way, we can write the different method arguments. So by implementing the real-time example, so that is the concept I have covered for this one, like login functions, search, add to the product order. For login, I have given different search I have given, and for payment, if I go for like card type, Mastercard, Visa card. So this is the method I have written. And once the order is coming, I have confirmed. So all these methods I have confirmed by using like real time examples. So by overloading, so different method names we can give, sequencer are different. So and by using this one, code readability will be increased. Like we can segregate the code and I can write down the logic here. So in search, if I want to go for like iPhone 12 and I can write the logic. If I want to write the logic with blue color, I can write that. So code I can write down in a different way and flexibility will be more. So that would be like more advantage in overloading concept. So now I'm entering the OTP. So if I'm authenticating through OTP, so in this way I can write down the different methods I can pass it. So in payment mode, if I want to write down like Visa card, Mastercard, if I want to choose net banking, UPA, so these are the methods I have written for payment. So finally, like overloading concept means like so in overloading we are changing the number of parameters, changing the data types, and the order of the parameters I am changing. But main functionality I have given like real time example like through e-commerce. If I log in, I'm passing different parameters. Like function name is same, different parameters I am passing. Data types I'm passing. This one is like according to my need. Search functionality. And while adding to the cart and while doing the payment and while generating the order. So these are the real time concepts when we are implementing the writing the code real time we are using. So that is the concept, guys. And one more thing, like in overloading. So if we search in internet, we will get like so many definition. But when we implement in the real time, that would be like more advantage. Like, so thanks for watching the video.